Good morning, students. Exercise 2.3, 7th problem. Find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10 and their sum is less than 40. So, first I'll take, let the consecutive odd natural numbers be x and x plus 2. Suppose if you substitute x is equal to 1, the next number will be 1 plus 2, 3. If you substitute 3, so it will be 5. So you will get consecutive odd natural numbers that has to be taken as x and x plus 2. Here it is given that both of which are larger than 10. So your x is greater than 10 and x plus 2 is also greater than 10. So x greater than 10 we have written as it is, and come to here. So plus 2, when you take it to the right side, it is minus 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So x is greater than 8. And also given in the problem, their sum is less than 40. So first number x, the next number x plus 2. When you add these two, their sum is less than 40. So I have used the symbol less than 40. So when I add these two x, it is 2x. 2x plus 2 less than 40. 2x is less than 40. Plus 2, when you take it to the next side, it is minus 2. 40 minus 2 is 38. 2x less than 38. So x is less than 19. You see the three results what we have obtained. The first one, x greater than 10, and the second one, x greater than 8, and the next one, x less than 19. Okay, come to this result, x greater than 10. So we can have x is equal to 9, but in this problem it is given both the numbers x and x plus 2, how it should be larger than 10. So we should not take x is equal to 9. So larger than 10 means we have to consider the first number, x is equal to 11. If x is equal to 11 means x plus 2 is 11 plus 2, that is 13. So we will get one pair of consecutive odd natural numbers. Then x is equal to 13 means your x plus 2 is 15. So 13 comma 15, next pair. When x is equal to 15, so 15 plus 2, 17. So x is equal to 17, x is 17, x plus 2 is 19. Can you take x is equal to 19? So because of this result, we should not, x how it should be, it is less than 19. So we should not take x is equal to 19. So these are the consecutive odd natural numbers, pair of odd natural numbers.
Start.
Eighth problem. A model rocket is launched from the ground. The height h reached by the rocket after t seconds from liftoff is given by h of t is equal to minus 5t squared plus 100t, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 20. At what time the rocket is 495 feet above the ground? Here the equation is given, h of t is equal to minus 5t squared plus 100t. Okay, h is the height reached by the rocket, and t the time taken to reach that height. So if the h is the function of t, so that's only it is given as h of t. Okay, so see now what is the height it has to be reached? 495. So in the place of h we have substituted 495, that is equal to minus 5t squared plus 100t. So minus 5t squared, when you bring it to the left side, it will become plus. This 100t, when you take it to the left side, it is minus 100t. Already in the left side you are having 495. So when you divide it by 5, it will become t squared minus 20t plus 99 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation in terms of t. So you have to factorize. So if you multiply the two numbers, you have to get the product is 99. and the sum of those two numbers are minus 20. I'll take product is 99 and the sum is minus 20. So we can have minus 11 and minus 9. Minus 11 into minus 9 is plus 99. When you add these two, you will get minus 20. So therefore, this quadratic equation can be factorized as t minus 11 into t minus 9 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 11, t is equal to 9. So at t is equal to 11 seconds and t is equal to 9 seconds, the rocket is 495 feet above the ground. Okay, next problem, 9th one. A plumber can be paid according to the following schemes. In the first scheme, he will be paid rupees 500 plus rupees 70 per hour. You see that in the first scheme, the 500 is fixed for him, and according to the hour, how much hours he is working, per hour 70 rupees will be paid for the plumber in the first scheme. And in the second scheme, he will be paid rupees 120 per hour, no fixed amount. If he per hour, that is 1 hour, he will be paid 120 rupees. If he works x hours, then for what value of x does the first scheme give better wages? See the first scheme, the plumber will be paid 500 rupees plus 70x. Why I have written 70x? He is working x hours. So 1 hour, per 1 hour you will have 70 rupees. So he is working x hour means, so 70 into x plus 500. In the second scheme, he will work per hour, he will be paid 120 rupees. So for x hours, so it is 120 into x. So see that what is asked, for what value of x does the first scheme give better wages? So from that, the first scheme amount should be greater than the amount paid by the second scheme. So take the first scheme amount, that is 500 plus 70x is greater than 120x. So next 500 you have to keep it in the left side, and this 70x, when you take it to the right side, it will become minus 70x. So 120x minus 70x is 50x. You see that 500 is greater than 50x. Here 500 is written in the front. So now I am going to write the 50x should be in the front. Okay, you see the sharp end, it is towards 50x. The same way we have to mention. Here also I mentioned the sharp end towards 50x. So both are same. Here 500 is written in the first. Here 50x is written here. So but the inequality you have to change it. So both are same only. So 50x is less than 500. So therefore x is less than 500 by 50. So when you cancel, x is less than 10 hours. So the working hour of the plumber is less than 10 hours to get the good amount in the first scheme. Okay, come to the sixth one. A manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% solution of acid. How many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it so that the acid content in the resulting mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%. See the first sentence. The manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% solution of acid. So 600 liters solution is there. So in that the 12% acid content is in the 600 liters of solution. Okay. Here what is asked, how many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it. So we have to take how many liters is given. So x be the amount of solution with 30% of acid content. Okay, so here you see that, so that the acid content in the resulting mixture. So they are talking about the acid content in the solution. So you see that here I have written first the acid content in the 600 liters of solution. So 600 into 12 by 100 plus next one 30% acid content in the amount X. So it is X into 30 by 100. Okay, wow. So see now it will be, you see that the acid content in the resulting mixture, okay, so will be more than 15%. So this should be greater than 15% of acid content in the resulting mixture. This is the resulting mixture 600 plus X. In that the 15% of acid content. So you have to write this equation like this, and then same way next the acid content in the resulting mixture will be less than 18%. So this is the acid content in the solutions. Okay, here 18% of acid solution in the resulting mixture. How it should be? It is less than. So I have used the symbol less than. So consider the first one, 600 into 12 by 100 plus X into 30 by 100 is greater than 600 plus X into 15 by 100. So if you multiply, it is 7200 divided by 100 plus 30x divided by 100 greater than 600 into 15 is 9000 plus 15 into x divided by 100. If you multiply it by 100, the hundreds in the denominator will be cancelled. So you will get 7200 plus 30x is greater than 9000 plus 15x. So 15x, when you bring it to the left side, it is minus 15x. Bring this 7200 to the right side. So it is 9000 minus 7200. So it will be 30x minus 15x is 15x. 9000 minus 7200 is 1800. So x is greater than 1800 by 15. So that is x is greater than 120. Take the next one. So you see that 600, 12% of 600 liters and 30% of x liters, it is less than 18% of the resulting mixture. You consider that equation, and same way just multiply 7200 divided by 100 plus 30x divided by 100 is less than 600 into 18 is 10,800 plus 18x divided by 100. If you can cancel 100 on both the sides. So it will be 7,200 plus 30x is less than 10,800 plus 18x. So bring the x to one side. So 30x and plus 18x, when you bring it to when you take it to the left side, it is minus 18x less than 10,800 minus 7,200. So 30x minus 18x is 12x. 12x is less than 3,600. So x is less than 3,600 divided by 12. That is 300. So the amount of solution with 30% of acid content will be more than 120 and less than 300. So therefore the x should be lies between 120 and 300. Thank you, students.